Most cracked bumpers get filled with epoxy and mesh, but that old school repair almost always fails. Today, I'm repairing this the right way. Real plastic welding, using the same material the bumper's made from. Let's get into it. I'll start by heating the bumper slightly and using the back of a screwdriver handle to level the crack. Next, I'll prep the area for hot air welding by dremeling out a 1/4 inch strip. Just deep enough that the crack disappears. Cracks here don't usually go all the way through. Now it's time for hot air welding. I heat both the filler rod and the bumper at the same time. When the rod is ready, I press it into the bumper. Getting the heat right is key. Too little and it won't bond. Too much and the plastic can burn. With the right temperature, the rod fuses into the bumper while staying flexible. You'll see the plastic start to flow, forming a small, almost liquid-like bulge along the edges. That's perfect. Once it's cooled, I use an aggressive metal file to knock down any high spots. This is the fastest way to get a flush surface before sanding. Starting with a DA sander here wouldn't work because both the bumper and the rod sand at the same rate. I'll rinse and repeat this step until I'm happy with it. There may still be minor low spots or pits. I fill those with a bit of super glue, and while it's still wet, sand with 180 grit. This pulls microplastics into the glue and fills the surface completely with the same material. I repeat for any other spots, let it cure, then finish with a DA sander using 220 grit for a smooth, even finish. And that's it. In my opinion, this is the best way to repair any plastic. Much stronger and more reliable than the old epoxy fillers. What do you think? Would you approve of this method?